Is your USB-C cable connected from your monitor to your MacBook but not working? Like this? So it says it's connected to the PC, but then there is no display. You'll notice that it is charging though. It is actually charging. Okay, so first you're gonna try to see if it's connected. We're gonna go to the connected device, then we go to PC, go ahead and click that. It says it's connected, and like I said earlier, it's charging, but it's not working. If it's not working, the biggest culprit is probably this. This USB-C cable can indeed charge your MacBook, but it will not display at 4K. It means it will not work with the monitor. What you're actually going to need is one of these cables, and they look identical as far as like the plug-in part. And this, what you're going to need is a 4K at 60 hertz. You can also get the Apple Thunderbolts 3 or 4, which would work. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you guys. So we're going to unplug the Apple USB-C, and we're going to go ahead and plug in this 4K. This is a Ugreen on Amazon, quite affordable. I'll put a link below, and let's get this in. Okay, finally. Now let's go ahead and plug it into the MacBook. So now on my screen it's working, but then if it's still not displaying right here on the monitor, go ahead and go to System Settings. So we're going to go to the Apple, and then we're going to go to System Settings. Then we're going to go to Displays. From Displays, we're going to want to make sure that it is picking up the Samsung, or if you have an LG or whatever, and that it is also right here, refresh rate 60 hertz, and it says mirror entire screen. So you should see your external monitor listed here. If your monitor does not appear, force your MacBook to search for it. So in the System Settings and Displays, we're going to go ahead and hold down the Option key, and you will see it says Detect Displays. Let me zoom in. So as you can see, it says Detect Displays. Go ahead and click on that. And hopefully now your monitor will pop up and say Samsung or LG. It's still not working. It might be a hardware issue, so you might want to check and take your USB-C cable and plug it into the other ports right here. Right here, the USB-C ports. Otherwise, I would turn off the monitor, restart the MacBook. If nothing has worked, restart both the monitors and the MacBook. So hopefully your MacBook and the monitor are paired now. Most external monitor problems come down to three things: the wrong input source, a USB-C cable that does not support video, or your MacBook not detecting the display. If this video fixed your problem, please check out some of my other videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll put a link below for the Ugreen cable I have. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.